these two, and for solution P total it is also from this side. Right. So for negative deviation आपको यहाँ से इसके नीचे से लाइंस को प्लेस करना है, राइट. एंड फॉर पॉजिटिव डेविएशन दीज आर आवर मेन लाइंस फॉर व्हाट, फॉर आइडियल सॉल्यूशन, राइट. सो ये हमारी आइडियल सॉल्यूशन के लिए लाइंस हैं, और इन लाइन से अगर हम नीचे दिखाएंगे तो ये हमारा जो आ रहा है दिस लाइन एंड दिस लाइन, ये नेगेटिव के लिए है. And for positive deviation, this black one and this black one, these show positive deviation, right. So now again we take one more topic, and that topic is azeotropes. Now what are azeotropes, right? So coming to this azeotrope, now you know that when we mix two solutions, what happens that after mixing either their boiling points becomes higher or their boiling point becomes weaker. So on the basis of these facts we explain azeotropes and their types. What are azeotropes? So first thing is, azeotropes are the binary mixtures. What are these? These are the binary mixtures having, so just check it, azeotropes. So we can explain azeotropes by using 3 points. These are binary mixtures. Second point is having same composition in liquid and vapor phase. Right. Then third point is boils at same temperature. After mixing, boils at same temperature. So these are the 3 important points about these azeotropes. Is it clear? So boils at same temperature means at constant temperature, or you can write constant temperature. So it constant temperature, right. Now these are of 2 types. First type is minimum boiling azeotropes. And second type is maximum boiling azeotropes. Now what is the difference between these two? What are these minimum and maximum boiling azeotropes? So for this just check it. Suppose कि हमारे पास 2 components हैं A and B. A का boiling point हमने ले लिया 40 and B का हमने ले लिया 56. ठीक है. अब अगर हमने इन दोनों को मिक्स किया और मिक्स करने के बाद जो लेसर बॉइलिंग पॉइंट था उससे भी कम हो जाए इस मिक्सचर का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट क्या हो जाए, लेसर देन 40, तो ये हमारे कहलाएंगे मिनिमम बॉइलिंग एजियोट्रोप्स, राइट. और अगर हमने कहा कि यहाँ जैसे सपोज हमने कहा कि ए बी है, 40 है, 56 बॉइलिंग पॉइंट है, ठीक है, और अगर हमने कहा कि आफ्टर मिक्सिंग नाउ द सॉल्यूशन बॉइल्स एट मोर देन 56 डिग्री सेल्सियस, तो यहाँ हो जाएगा boils at more than 56 degree Celsius. So that is called maximum boiling azeotropes. That azeotropes are known as maximum boiling azeotropes. Right? Now the one important point is that we can take all the examples of positive deviation. We can take so many examples, not all, but so many examples of positive deviation here. ठीक है. So यहाँ पे हम क्यों ले लेंगे इनके examples को, या यहाँ हम कह रहे हैं कि एग्जाम्पल्स हम नेगेटिव डेविएशन के ले सकते हैं, नेगेटिव डेविएशन के ले सकते हैं. सो द रीज़न इज, व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न? बिकॉज यू नो दैट इन पॉजिटिव डेविएशन अभी हमने देखा बॉइलिंग पॉइंट बिकम्स लेसर, एंड हेयर ऑल्सो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट बिकम्स लेसर, राइट? So in case of positive deviation, you know that boiling point becomes lesser. So such type of solution can easily show what minimum, they easily form minimum boiling azeotrophs. Similarly, here you see boiling points greater than maximum boiling azeotroph, means boiling point is higher. So here again you see that boiling point is higher in case of negative deviation, ठीक है, because of less vapor pressure. So that's why we say that we can take examples of negative deviation over here in case of maximum boiling azeotrophs. Is it clear? Some other examples are also given, like you know that if we have this for negative deviation, we easily take nitric acid and water, nitric acid and water mixture. So here nitric acid plus water, this is one example, or take any other example of negative deviation, right? And similarly in case of positive deviation, we can use ethanol water mixture. So here we can use ethanol plus water mixture. Is it clear? So this is all about your ideal solution, your Raoult's law, and then positive deviation, negative deviation, their conditions, and azeotrophs. Hope it is clear to you all, right? So wait for my second video.